There's an old cliche. If you wait long enough, what is currently out of favor today will be tomorrow's darling. And it is indeed true. This time, the wheel has turned on testosterone. The powerful male hormone is no longer vilified as the bad guy that it was just a few short months ago. How could that be? The answer is quite simple. Two new independent studies concluded that testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, might not cause the cardiovascular problems that it appeared to do in previous research. As LAPD Sergeant Joe Friday said in the television series Dragnet, quote, "Just the facts, ma'am," end quote. That is precisely how these two studies were conducted. In the first study, researchers looked at 7,245 men with low testosterone, or low T levels. Serious cardiovascular events, heart attack, stroke, or death, occurred in 5.5% of the men who received testosterone therapy and 6.7% of those who didn't. This is an insignificant difference, possibly a statistical anomaly, and shows definitively that testosterone therapy didn't increase the men's risk. On the contrary, it actually offered some protection against heart attack and stroke. Which, of course, is entirely the direct opposite to what mainstream medicine has been warning us for years, screeching like a room full of cackling hens. The second study analyzed 29 clinical trials and looked at more than 122,000 men. The results were remarkably similar to the first survey. Researchers found no evidence that TRT was associated with a significantly increased risk of adverse cardiovascular outcomes. The United States Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, urges caution before jumping headfirst into TRT by recently issuing a warning about the potential risks of heart attack and stroke among men undergoing testosterone therapy. The FDA now requires serious health warnings on testosterone product labels, just like cigarettes. In spite of this, many medical professionals consider that testosterone has been proven safe and extremely beneficial. The debate goes on. The defenders of TRT point to the two previously mentioned studies to further drive their point home. If used as intended, testosterone therapy can actually improve cardiovascular health. It can also relieve a plethora list of symptoms that come with the affliction of aging: fatigue, low libido, erectile dysfunction, muscle weakness, weight gain, joint aches and pains, mental fog, and depression. And the parade just keeps going on unless you are going to do something about it. Many reputable physicians have used TRT safely for decades in their practice. And why shouldn't they? When we consider that low T affects 4 to 5 million men in the U.S., including as many as half of older men with type 2 diabetes, these courageous doctors are performing a life-saving, health-promoting public service. The bottom line is this: when considering and undergoing TRT, be responsible. When you're receiving testosterone replacement, make sure that your physician is monitoring your heart health as well as your testosterone levels. Any responsible physician should know this. If your current primary doctor is not familiar with TRT, or if he or she refuses to prescribe it for you, an excellent place to look for the right physician is the American College for Advancement in Medicine, ACAM. Just type your zip code into their search engine to find a list of experienced TRT physicians near you. And here's a better idea. Contact our clinic for the complete lowdown on what testosterone replacement therapy can do for you. If you found this video informative, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. To learn more about health and wellness regarding testosterone replacement therapy, please click the link below in the description.